Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 52, naming numbers through the 100 billions. So this diagram shows the values of the first 12 whole number places. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 hundreds, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and then billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. Okay, this is another diagram showing it. And this just shows where you put the comma. So the thousands comma, the millions comma, and the billions comma. Okay. So you can see that the pattern of ones, tens, and hundreds repeats itself. So we go 1 tens, hundreds, 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, 1 millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and 1 billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions. Sometimes with the ones place value, we just say that it's, thousands, 1,000s, instead of saying, we just say thousands. Okay, so this says which digit shows the number of 100 billions in this big number. So what I can do is I can put out my place values, or count my place values. So I have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. So the hundreds billions place is the 9 in this number. Okay, so it says, what is the value of the 2 in this number? Okay, well, let's look. The 2 and the value of the digit depends on its place in the number. See, so this 2 is showing that this is 2 million. Okay, and the number that shows that is A. Okay, and you can tell because all we did was replace these numbers with zeros. So the A is worth 2 million. Okay. All right, to name whole numbers with lots of digits, it helps to put in our commas. Now, we count commas from the right-hand side, okay, and we go over 3 digits, and that's where we put a comma. So we go 1, 2, 3, so I put a comma right here. Let's change my color. Right there. And then I count 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and put a comma here. Okay. So this tells us the first comma, remember, is for the thousands, and the second one is for the millions. So since I have 2 commas, I know that this has to be 1 million. I don't know, I'll put a 0 there. 1 million. There we go. Comma. 345,000 comma 200. Okay, that's how to write that in words. Okay, this says use digits to write 134,652,700,000. So sometimes it helps to draw the place values. So we'd have ones, tens, hundreds, comma, the thousands place, millions place, and billions places, because there's 3 for each group. So it says 34 billion. Well, I don't have any 100 billion, so it's going to be 34 billion, 652 million. So 652 million, 700,000. So I put a 700, and then there's nothing else. So the rest of these numbers get filled in with zeros. Okay, and this is my number. Okay, this next one says write 2,500,000 in expanded notation. So remember, we take the number in the place value and multiply it by its place value. So we do 2 times 1 million plus 5 times 100,000. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and that's all for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.